We hope you enjoy this behind-the-scenes look of our wedding performance, The Wedding Journey, Vows in Midair.
We're 1 week away from the big wedding, the big performance. How are you guys feeling?
I'm okay. I'm just kind of doing stuff all the time.
Like I said, I'm still stuck on the Flashdance look, and I know it's not that.
It's just like I have nothing to compare it to.
Right.
I've never done anything like this before. No, if like, so do you guys have it together? I'm like, I don't know.
You have to get up. It's time to get up. Are you sleeping?
You know what I mean. We don't want the Flashdance.
Maybe. So that's
Done.
it.
Yeah.
That's it. We're done. We got vows done. Woo!
And then
It's the bride's day, and I take that to heart. Like, I want to do everything I can to make Nehra extremely happy on her day. We're so task-oriented still. There's so many things to do. I mean, it's not just a wedding, but it's also a performance.
Right.
Or sometimes we're thinking, well, it's a performance, but like, oh yeah, we're getting married too.
Because this is the part where we're edging towards rapture.
I'm getting married. I'm getting married. Like,
Right.
and the thing is, time isn't going to stop. It's going to be upon us.
are you gonna have rings or what?
Hey, can we take a look at your jewelry?
You'll have some rings. I try to keep reminding her, like, oh, we're going to be able to call each other different names, and what will that mean?
Lots of different names.
Yeah.
That's what's
We're gonna run out of music.
No, we're not. It's a minute. We have 9.5 minutes of music.
And with all these changes, it's gonna be 20 seconds per changeover.
Oh my God, you're
Here,
smoking
move.
crack.
Are you listening, Derek?
Mm-hmm.
Most rabbis, Derek, really want you to just drive.
You know, what I'm thinking is that anything that you're going to say of that nature will be less poetic than the poetry that you've been putting out in motion and in music and in movement and all of that, you know. This is the problem, that you are
Yeah.
competing with yourselves,
Yeah.
and you guys are winning because you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because nothing that you can say that you can find in a book is going to be more poetic than what you're doing,
Right.
and more artistic and more extreme, you know. So this is one of the big problems that you have.
Yeah.
So, do you feel like you're about to get married?
Yes.
Do you feel like you're putting on a show?
Yes.
breaking of the glass is also like a commemoration for everyone, for all sorts of sadness or suffering in the world. And I think at that moment, it only serves to have you realize what a peak moment this in fact is.
You are now joined.
She's a super hyper organizer, and unbelievably so. To organize things that are potential possibilities, it's unbelievable.
I think about plan A.
And plan
And then I
B,
think
and
about
all the way
plan
through
B.
plan Z, and then you
No.
start back again with the double letters of plan double A, double Z. I mean, it's unbelievable.
Well, I've been watching you discreetly for quite a while, and I have to say completely that I like your style. But these looks that you've been stealing lately stole my heart. You better tell it to me straight before it tears me apart.
We don't have rings yet, but
Little
we have
details.
7 days to get rings.
From the gumball machine.
Right, the plastic spiders.
You're always hanging around me, so if it's true, just let it show. Now every night is just the same. I lie awake in bed and try and figure out what's going on inside your head. Could it be a little more, or is it just a game? If you don't make one thing clear, I think I'll go insane.
Basically, I make the lists.
Mindset.
I update the lists, and when I see little check marks next to his items that have been done, then I can relax.
Hanging around me, baby, if it's true, just let it show. Every time you look my way, a chill runs up my spine. I can't wait another day to know if you are mine. I'm so mixed up in my head, and I don't know what to do. There's a feeling that I can't control, and I wanna get next to you.
So, one of the things I wanted to ask you, do you think eventually you'll have children?
Oh yeah.
You do plan to have children?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Are you? Do you?
I'm growing into that idea.
Yeah.
And I usually, when I think about it, I leave off the Ren, and I just do the think about child.
You leave off what?
The Ren on the end of child. Like I only think about one if I think.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.